Hello, Bonjour and Bonjour everyone, and welcome to this week's craft video.
Hi, Hallie. I have a question for you.
Yeah, what is it, Cody?
Have you ever been camping?
Yeah, I love camping. You get to go swimming, roast marshmallows by the campfire, and sleep under the stars.
Yeah, well, me and my pack are going camping next weekend, and I'm a bit scared.
Oh, why is that, Cody?
Well, I've never slept without a nightlight, and I can't bring one with me because there's no wall to plug it in.
Oh, well, how about this week we make a camping lantern?
Wow, that would be awesome. Thanks, Hallie.
Okay, this week's craft is inspired by the Crazy Outdoor Mama. Are you ready to get started? In this bag, you should have 2 strips of green construction paper, an instruction sheet, a pipe cleaner, some glue, some yellow paint, a tea light, and a water bottle with the top cut off with 2 holes in it. The first thing that you're going to do is take a paintbrush and paint the water bottle yellow. You don't need to paint the bottom yellow because the construction paper will be going over it. Wrap the green construction paper around the bottle. You may want to cut it, trim it, or make it even thinner. You can use the glue or the tape. I'm going to use some tape. At the top of your bottle, you should have the holes. Try not to cover them too much because you're going to thread the pipe cleaner through there. You can use some tape to make sure it sticks, but mine looks pretty good. I'm gonna slide. You can then put your tea light on inside, turn it on and put it inside, and then you have your camping lantern. How do you feel now, Cody?
Super excited. I don't have to worry about camping now because I have a super cool lantern.
That's great, Cody. I hope you have fun on your camping trip.
Yeah, me too. I wonder how our friends' lanterns turned out.
Did our craft today. Make sure to tag us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or use the hashtag FFPLTC Craft Club Crafts. Well, I guess we should sing the cleanup song. Making the stuff was really fun. Let's all sing the cleanup song. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.